Wow, this looks amazing. I have some smart lights for your home or anywhere you want to put them. These are permanent lights if you want to make them permanent, and they're good for outdoors. So these lights, this is what it comes with. Each one of these sets has 15 lights and it's 24.5 feet. So combine them, that's 60 lights and 100 feet. And it has a long cord to plug it in. Comes with a remote control. Each little light, this is what it looks like, and it has adhesive on the back. Or you could use these screws that it comes with, and it has extra adhesives and extra screws as well. So yeah, that's everything that I said that it comes with right here. The remote control, the extra adhesives, the power box, and the 424.6 lights. And what's awesome about this, it has 79 modes already that you could do with the control, but it also has an app if you want to customize your own lights, and you could sync it to the music. So let's turn it on real fast. So that's one of the modes. You could just put a regular color, red, blue, green, but the modes are really nice and you can switch them. They all do different things. You could control the dim and the speed to lower it, and the speed to make it faster or make it brighter. Change the mode back or change the mode forward. So let's set these up. This is where I want to put the lights. I have the regular lights already, but I want to add lights all the way around, and it's gonna fit perfect. 100 feet all the way around, light it up for parties and events. I started putting up my lights just with the adhesive. I wipe it down with a napkin or a rag right where I'm gonna stick it, and then I'll stick it on there so I won't have dirt. So what I did, all those lights, I had them on the floor. So I ran it from where I wanted it to start all the way around, just so I could know how much it's gonna last. So right now I'm about to stick it one by one, clean the border and put it up. So it is pretty long. It does my whole patio cover, and I still got some lights to go underneath over there. I finished putting up my lights. It was very easy. Just so you know, my patio is 15 feet this way by 50 feet that way. So 1550, and all I used on my aluminum wood patio was the adhesive right behind the lights, and it's pretty strong. It's 3M adhesive, double-sided. So you see those lights, and the other lights I put right under there. So once the sun goes down, I'll turn them on so you could see them. But very easy to install. That one I put that way because you could see there's a little bolt right there. So that's the only reason why I put it that way, but it worked out because it's right in the middle of my patio. So that's the only one that's different. So you could see them all the way around. I was happy if it just got from there to there, but I still had a bunch left over, which I ran over here. So now underneath this, right outside my back door, I got lights here too, and I'm sure it'll light up this whole little area. And there we go. All I have to do, just plug it in. This button is to change it manually on the cord itself. You can also use the remote control to change the colors. And the third way to control the lights is with the app.